Uh, Good morning, everybody. And like almost we have covered the management part in management in organization behavior. Already we were gone with what is individual behavior, and today we are going to see some part of group behavior. And the previous session I was just discussing about what is group behavior and why group behavior in the organization. Now before we go for that, can anybody just tell me about what is group behavior? So how do we frame the group, and why we have to frame the group? So to give the exact outcome of this topic, we are going to study at the end of this session. I hope that everybody will understand about why the group, and like how they frame the group, and what is their duty of going under this group, okay, for the upliftment or development of the organization. So the definition part of this slide, what to say is, now group in the sense, we can't say individual means, already we have told that it is only one person. So one person's behavior, what is you, okay, you, we can say. So what is my behavior, what is your behavior, okay? So it is separate, that comes under this. So in an organization, even though people are there, what is your individual behavior alone we have studied in the previous sessions. But now we are going to study about the uh, two or more people, okay, two or more individual interacting and interdepending together to achieve some objective, okay. So that is the main concept of group behavior. So everything together. So you can see the picture over here, like all together they are rising up. What does it mean? We all will join hands together to do something new, okay, to bring something innovative or whatever. Right now, okay, this group is there. Now can you see this group? Like we have different department, students, faculties, HODs, principals, head management. So we have separate groups over here, So how this designations and how this departments will be segregated? So group வந்து எப்படி பிரிக்கிறாங்க? So we have to study about that, how the groups can be segregated. Now when we talk about that, we have two different types. So that group can be differentiated into two types, that is formal and informal. So very simple. See, it is very easy for you to understand, like what is formal and informal. Formal means definitely you know that it is made in an structured manner. சரியா, ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சராக வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஒரு குரூப்பை பிரிக்கிறோம். வயசு, ஸோ ஏஜ் கேன் பி people. Now you see in crickets we can say under 14, under 16, under 19, senior, junior, super junior, sub junior. So all like it is the group where have some rules and regulations for them to undergo, okay. So those people alone can play under that team. If suppose under 19 அப்படின்னா under 19க்கு 16க்கு மேலே under 19 இருக்கிறவங்க தான் அங்கே இதில் ப்ளே பண்ண முடியும், பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண முடியும். So like that, each group in the organization is splitted in a formal way, in a structured way, in an organizational structure. So it has some hierarchy, how to frame a group. So அதுதான் ஃபார்முலா நம்ம வந்து பிரிக்கிறோம், okay. So suppose for example 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, நம்ம வந்து நார்மலாகவே வந்து குரூப் பிரிக்கிறப்போ we have this consistency while playing in the ground. For anything to do, we make a simple thing, okay. That is formally we are doing according to the rules and regulation of the organization. But informal, what is informal? Informal ஒன்றும் இல்லை. See, don't get tension, neither formally structured nor organizationally determined. So what is that informal அப்படின்னா, see, it's like randomly you are framing. நீங்கள் 4 பேர் இப்படி வாங்க, you 4 come this side, you 10 come this side, you 10 come this side, you 5 people you explain, you 5 people do an activity, you people do this work. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுவோன்னா ரேண்டமாக we are collecting the people to set a work, so to complete a work. So that is called formal and informal. Hope you can understand well. So இதில் வந்து there are different types also. So formal இதில் வந்து குரூப்ஸில் வந்து we are segregating into two, that is command and task. So what is that? The command அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஆர்கனைசேஷன் themselves what they do is they give a separate task for the subordinates to complete the work within which the time is being specified. Okay, and the task வந்து என்னென்னா டாஸ்க் என்ன அப்படின்னா all together they collaborate each other to complete the job which has been prescribed by the management in a particular time. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ். என்னது கமாண்ட் டாஸ்க் அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ கமாண்டுங்கிறது நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஒர்க்கை வந்து கமாண்ட் பண்ணி we are giving them some orders, okay, or based on the organizational chart or an preparation of planning or whatever, we are giving them the task and making them to do, we are ordering them and getting the work done. Here it is not like that. Working together, like they should have an intention among themselves to complete the job in time. Okay, then so here we are discussing about formal and informal. What is informal? That is being interest. For example, you see, I'm going to raise up those who want to come with me for an educational tour. ஸோ இந்த குரூப் எப்படின்னா நான் இல்லை நீ வா அப்படின்னு கூப்பிடல. இட் ஷோஸ் சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். ஓகே, தோஸ் பீப்புள் வில் they will raise their hands and they will join. So we create a group over there. Okay, so that makes a very important one. Then friendship. ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் எல்லாம் வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படின்னா நீங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுத்து ஒரு ரூல் இருந்து எடுக்கிறது இல்லை. ஸோ இட் இஸ் அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் யுவர் the rules and regulations how you frame a group. So this is very very important topic which we have to know about how the group has to be formed and how it has to be what to say like worked on to achieve something. நம்ம எதுக்காக why do we do this means we have to achieve something. So what these are some of the activities we can do. What is that? We can all together joining hands பண்ணி என்ன வேலை செய்யலாம், அப்போ அந்த வேலையெல்லாம் நம்ம செய்யணும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஃபார்மல் அண்ட் இன்ஃபார்மல் குரூப்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். சரிங்களா? ஸோ திஸ் பிளேஸ் அன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரோல். தட்ஸ் ஆல் ஃபார் தி டே. வி வில் கண்டினியூ வித் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் topic in the we will continue with this the different types of groups, and we will what to say, we will have a meet in the other class. We will or else we will do one thing, we will continue with this 5-stage model. Very very important model. What is that is like first one is forming, storming, norming, performing and adjourning. So this forming, norming, as I told you, that is very very important. So we will continue with that in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. We will